The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain how to correct an Illinois birth certificate. This can be done through the Illinois Department of Public Health, and you do it by submitting an affidavit and certificate of correction request form, and this is a form that explains your reason for wanting to correct your birth certificate. Along with the form, you'll submit a government-issued photo ID, a filing fee, and documents that provide evidence for the basis of your correction. So the Illinois Department of Public Health will review the correction request on a case-by-case basis. And because every situation is unique, there's no hard and fast rule for the type of documents that you need to submit along with the correction request. The Illinois Department of Public Health does provide guidelines for suggested documents for particular types of correction. So whether you're trying to correct your own name or your father's name on your birth certificate, different documents might be required. Basically, when you're trying to correct your own name, all of the documents must have been created prior to you turning 19 and show your name and your date of birth just as you want it to appear on your birth certificate. So the types of documents are listed on the IDPH website, and they include things like baptismal records, school records, social security records, and hospital records. Basically, things that are accepted as normal records from your youth or very young age that show your name how it should appear. And these are basically submitted to show why your birth certificate is incorrect. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud, and you'll be notified of our daily article and video posts. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in most areas of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.